a lot of the pain points of dealers and auctions is what we take care of. That's our solution. We're you talked about the aspirin, but I talk about their pain, and their pain is they're having trouble getting cars imaged in the quality side plus on the speed side, and that's what Black Widow is about. We will take your pain away, and we turned imaging into easy imaging, where everything else it's labor intense. With the Black Widow, there's a drive-through system that under 5 seconds you can image that car, and the long term would be 25 seconds if you go ahead and do the interior. So there's a lot of options, a lot of solutions that we provide, and we just want the opportunity to let people know and network with people to know what their pain is. And a lot of times they don't bring up that pain, they just live with it. We don't want them to live with it. We want to take it away. All right, so there's the system. It hangs from just about anything. It's about 180 pounds. It'll go anywhere. It can go in a detail shop, a recon center, auction lane. It can go into a carport, but it's versatile, but also will do every vehicle that you have. It weighs about 180 pounds. It takes 4K imaging, and it does it in 5 seconds.
And each arm is holding a camera. You could drive the vehicle under. You would if the front left tire would sit on a plate that activates the cameras.
Yeah, we'll go to the plate.
There's the plate. All right.
If you can park a car, or drive through a car wash, or just go on this plate, our software does the rest under 5 seconds.
Right. So it's right. It's dummy proof. I mean, yeah. If you can park a car, you can get the photos.
You're exactly right.
And then you got the works. What's this workstation over here do?
That's our kiosk. That's our kiosk. Basically, you'll take your scanner that we provide, take it to the car. Trying to do this one-handed. Before I even walk back to the kiosk, it's taking the pictures.
Oh my gosh, because the tire's on the plate. Okay.
Captions the images in 4K. It's also capturing the interior 360 camera that I put in that earlier, but we can show you that.
Yeah, we'll take a look at that.
Let's do a capture. Hit a continue, and you're done. You're off to the next car. So what I didn't show you is the 360 camera. That's actually a 7K camera that will take the photos of the entire interior from the roof. You'll be able to zoom into the car, going down to damage, looking for equipment, and I'll show you what that looks like on the screen.
Gotcha. So the kiosk travels with the hangman.
Yes.
Yes. And so you can even do it. If you can park, you can do it with one hand.
So that's what you end up getting. That's the finished product. There's me again. Somewhere there. But I can zoom into there.
Oh, wow.
To see that car. Here's your interior. Got a little bit of a glare, so hopefully you can see that.
Yeah, we can see it.
But that's all captured under that 25 seconds.
So I can say, well, this is great. Now, how do I get the kiosk to my dealership?
Well, what do you mean you install the thing?
No, but I mean, you can send the pictures. How do the pictures get somewhere else?
So you're going a little advanced. Let's talk about the first pain, which is just getting the images. The next pain is the dealer is wanting their cars. So when you look at the platform and you start looking at like an auction edge and you're viewing these cars, we can actually take this photo It's an actual live car at Columbus Fair, one of our partners. There's the finished product. You can drag it. You can zoom. With the 4K, it's unbelievable quality. Now I want to go to the interior. Is there a sunroof? No, there's not. No sun on this one.
Okay.
So then we can take these photos and actually have the auction send it to the dealer, and the dealer could actually have that photo online within the day. So day one photos from the auction. So I know Ty will probably give me the stats on how long it takes a car to get from the auction to the dealer. And I know that's a pain, but all the dealer really wants, I'm a dealer as well. All I want is my photo to be on my website. So there's the same picture I just showed you, right? The vehicle sold.
Got it.
Okay. I bought that car personally at Columbus Fair. Well, I've got to ship it. And I've got a guy, believe it or not, Ty, that does my shipping. And what I was able to do, instead of waiting for my shipper, which I love my guy, I was able to get Black Widow send my pictures to Hauk Chevrolet. And that's what you're going to show right here. So day one, taking that original photo, we enhance it, then we send it to the dealer. And guess what? Cars for sale. Leads are coming. I don't have to wait the week or 2 weeks. Because a lot of times your transport, hopefully they're under that 5 day. I think that's a good number. Would that be true? 5 days?
Yeah, 5's a good number.
5's a good number. Then you have 3 or 4 days, 5 days, maybe 7 days, maybe actually 14 days that the dealer holds it because they want to clean it. Well, Columbus Fair cleaned this car. So I can show my beauty shot from day one. So I took the 5 days from the transporter and the 10 to 14 days that the dealer, I promise you the dealer wants it online. They just don't know how to do it. And that's why we're connecting all these dots. Right, Jay?
Wow.
That's huge.
That's
big.
that is powerful. Yeah, I mean the number of days that you've leapfrogged is incredible. It could be sold in that amount of time you just said.
Yes.
That is totally worth it.
And what's neat about it, Jay, is all they still have to do is park it and let Black Widow do the heavy lifting. It's all automated.
Dude, what's the best way to contact Black Widow?
We obviously you can go to our website, but you can just call, text me. It's nothing formal. I'm a text away. My number is 636-577-8201. Obviously, you can go to our website, blackwidowimaging.com, or just send me a simple text.
And yeah, so you go right up here and you click schedule demo. It's right above Jay's head. There it is, schedule demo. And then what happens when you schedule a demo? You can then interact. And how do you do the demo? Do you do it online? Is that an online?
Yeah, we can
demo?
do it online. We do it every day. So it's very simple. It's about a 20-minute call, and depending on your questions, it could be longer.
All right, cool. So there it is. Schedule a demo. And that's is that anybody? Dealer, auction. Maybe you're a transport company. You're like, man, I want to know how this works. Sure.
Yes.
Right?
And
schedule a demo.
Right. And we talked about the original image process. But what we haven't talked about is in that same time frame, we just did a CR.
Ooh, tell me more. So, because you just took the images, you're saying there's information to go along with it, or what?
Yes.
What?
We can attach a condition report that'll actually grade the car, see the dents, see the PDR, see the the headlights that are wet or oxidized or wheel damage. It's going to pick up all that information to give you the right information so you can make the right buying decision, or when you're reconning it. If you're reconning the car, you've got a bunch of cars going through the system. While you image them, you can also do the condition report. And what's neat about it, Jay, is we already did it. I don't have to say we've captured the images. We're using AI technology, so it's not graded by a human. And so it's more consistent with that AI technology. With our 4K, we're able to pick up that information on that car.
I was just going to say, because that's the thing. Once you get something high quality, then you want to know, can that be repeated over and over and over quickly?
Yes.
And the answer is yes. Fast, high quality, consistent.
And the last part is what? Easy.
And easy. Got the easy button. Ask Black Widow how you can get an easy button too.